In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off push notifications when someone in your contacts joins Telegram. This helps reduce distractions and prevents notification overload, especially if you have a large contact list. It minimizes interruptions, allowing you to focus on important tasks without unnecessary alerts cluttering your notification center. To do this, simply head to your Telegram. Now these are all messages notifying me that these people have joined Telegram. To turn them off, tap onto the settings icon on your bottom right. Head to Notifications and Sounds. You will want to navigate onto New Contacts. Make sure to turn off this option. When disabled, you will no longer receive notifications whenever one of your contacts becomes available on Telegram. Well, that's how easy it is to turn off push notifications when one of your contacts becomes available on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.